So I'm not a huge mantra guy or mindset type of guy, but there's one mantra that I picked up probably about 2 or 3 years ago that completely changed my perspective, my mindset, and my way I focus going towards life. What's up, everybody? I'm Dr. Maggio, creator of the Peak Method, founder of the Soft Tissue Revolution, and we're on a hell of a mission to make chronic injuries obsolete by helping people that are injured and in pain get properly educated and informed and get access to quality hands-on soft tissue treatment so they don't have to go to bigger problems like pain pills, injections, and surgeries, which only make things worse. I've been practicing that. Hopefully I got it right. So weekly vlog, getting into it a little bit more. So I learned this mantra probably, it's going on like maybe 3 or 4 years ago, but the mantra is lions eat first. You know, when people hear that, they're like, what does that mean? I can't even remember who I heard it from like to first start out. But when I thought about that, I'm like, what does that really mean? And they explained it's like, think about all the people out there that depend on you. You know, you could be a parent, you could be running a company, you could have a lot of other people out there that need you and need you to be at your best. And the idea of like lions eat first is like, well, I'll say lions or lioness, depending if you're a man or a woman for that. But essentially what that means is out in the wild, like the lion has to protect the pack, has to protect the herd, and they need to eat first. So if they get a kill, they have to be the first one to eat. And a lot of people are like, well, that's selfish because you should take care of everybody else out there. But it's not selfish. It's actually very selfish if you don't take care of yourself first. So a good example of this would be if you get in a plane crash or the plane's going down and they say the oxygen mask comes down, make sure you put yours on first. It's the same idea. You have to take care of yourself so that you can help other people. Think of all the people that rely on you. And this is where a lot of people have failed, and they kind of burn it at both ends of the candle. I did this to myself a lot, especially 3 or 4 years ago, where I just didn't take my health seriously and I just ran into the ground. And before I knew it, I was depressed, I was overweight, I wasn't healthy, and I just wasn't able to help more people. And I started to realize, like, I have to take care of myself first, and you're not being selfish. I talk to clients and patients all the time. They're like, well, I got to do all these things and I'm running all over the place. I'm not able to make my health a priority. And it's like sooner or later, your health is going to be your #1 priority, and you have to take care of yourself first. Continue to do that and think about the people that truly depend on you. And if you're not eating right, you're not exercising, you're not getting your mind right, and you're just going into this hole and you're just like this spastic, like crazy person, you're not helping anybody. And then those people that truly do depend on you aren't going to be able to be there and help you and need that help from you. So getting into that idea of like, you're not being selfish if you put your health first and make it your #1 priority. I do these things all the time where I learned this, I think, from Warren Buffett. And the idea is like you have these different vitals and things that you focus on. And my #1 vital of all time is make sure I have optimal health. So whenever I'm running through something or I'm doing that, I have to make sure I take care of myself first. You are being completely selfish if you don't take care of yourself first. And that might be hard to hear because a lot of people that burn it at both ends, they're trying to help as many people as possible, but you have to help yourself first. And if you don't, what happens to you if you come out of commission? I get this a lot of times with clients. They're like, well, I need to work out like crazy. I need to do this. I need to do this. And if I can't work out and I can't do this, I'm going to die. And it's like, well, what happens if you can't function and do what you need to do and you never made your health a priority? It can really beat you up and put you in a bad place. So try that mantra out. Lions eat first. Make yourself your #1 priority so you can show up better for the people that truly need you. So that's all I got for this week. If it resonated with you, made you do a little or think, I'm glad. That's why I'm doing these videos. I just want to share a different type of perspective. But in this day and age where health is like front and center, like make it your priority. Think about the people that really need you and truly need you to be at your best. And if you're not at your best, do the things, have a real talk with yourself, make changes so you don't end up in a rut in a really bad place, because then you're fucked and nobody's going to be able to help you. I had to add that extra swear word in so I could hit the explicit on the video. So hope you guys are doing well. Have a great week out there. And if this is something that resonated with you, share it with somebody, send me a message, give me a comment. It's always good to connect with other people. So get out there, win the day, win the week, be the best version of yourself, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.